to another video. Today we have a $5 tool sale from Harbor Freight. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more to review videos. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. So we got a $5 tool sale. It says up to $29 off with any $49.99 purchase. So I guess you can purchase up to $49.99 and get all these tools for $5. It says sale ends Saturday, November 15th, 2020, or Sunday, November. Yeah. So you got today, remainder of today and tomorrow. I do apologize for not uploading this yesterday, but I was out of town. I just came in, and I had to work today, so even that made it even worse. So, anyways, if you guys could, if you guys are interested, here it is. It says, choose from these 6 tools for only $5. So these are for everybody, and this is for the Inside Track Club. So if you're in the Inside Track Club, get more, save more, choose from all 12 tools for only $5 a piece. I gotta say, some of these tools are really nice. You're getting a lot of value here for your money, especially on this side. I could see, this being great value. I do have this gun, works really good. This one's really nice too, $5 for a screwdriver. You can keep that on your drawer, kitchen drawer, so you don't have to pull out your big drill in case you want to tighten up a screw. And then you get a clamp edge guide from for the circular saw, or just if you want to use it as a clamp. This is a nice torque wrench if you want to use it like DIY, like tire rotations and stuff like that. This works fine for that. And then you got some titanium bits, and then you got the swivel TV wall mounts. It's a great little deal there. Don't get me wrong, these are great too, but I think these are a little better. You got ratcheting tie downs for $5. Usually are $7 with coupon. And then $5.88, yeah, usually $9. So you're saving $5 on this one. Same thing with this one. You see it for $11.99. Same thing with that. So you're pretty much saving around anywhere from $5 to $10 on these items. So just keep that in mind. You are saving some money. If you need some of these items, I do recommend this. All these tools are great, guys. This oscillating tool is great. Dual temperature heat gun is great. This is a great angle grinder if you have your professional grade, Makita or your DeWalt or Milwaukee, high powered basically. If you have it dedicated for one thing and then you don't want to switch out blades, you can have 2 or 3 of these little guys and just use them for some light grinding or some light cutting or whatnot, whatever you want to do, with some brushes or whatnot. So anyways, there's that deal. And then we got Hurry, since sale ends Sunday, November 15, 2020. So you got the coupon here. This is the Chicago Electric Oscillator Multi-Tool, $5. So with the purchase of the $49.99 total, as in your cart, you should be able to get all these tools. Well, you know what it says? I believe it says one limit, one coupon valid through store only. So I guess 1 coupon per customer per day, I guess. But you know what? A lot of guys, what they do is it depends on the store too, because sometimes they won't let you. A lot of guys, they just grab all the tools and they just go to the cashier basically and get that $5 off. So that's what they do. Some of them. So I don't know. And that's how you could use that, I guess. The oscillating. Alright, you got the super coupon here for the Warrior 1500 watt dual temperature heat gun, $5. Then there's the Apache 1800 weatherproof protective case for a camera or some small tool that you have. Here's the angle grinder. And here's the light and the Hallmaster 4000. Yeah, these are great, guys. Just to have them in your truck in case you're gonna, bring something into the truck, or That way, if you lend them out, you know, you're not out so much money. You're only out $5. But then again, you have 4 in there, so really great little deals here. And here's the Inside Track Club stuff here. You don't need a coupon for this. I guess you just take it up to the cashier, and they'll take it down. So, and there's a video for that. I really like this nailer. And that's the Bauer cordless screwdriver. Those are the drill bits. Yeah, guys, don't expect this to be top of the line drill bits, but they will last you for a few jobs, you know. What is this? Watch video. Oh yeah, for the drill bits. This is a nice torque wrench. Really like it. I mean, it's not the Snap-on or Icon or whatnot, but you know, it'll definitely get you that, you know, close to that spec. 17-inch to 42-inch swivel TV wall mount. It's a nice wall mount there. So don't forget Black Friday prices going on now. Guess that's it, guys. Yeah, just a quick video, just a $5 tool sale. Pretty simple. You buy $49.99 worth of stuff in your cart. You're gonna get this for $5. I would definitely save on these coupons because they'll probably ask you for that coupon. So make sure you take screenshots or pictures of those coupons. And that's it. We make sure, yep. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you guys for watching. And don't forget to subscribe, hit the like, hit the bell. See you guys in the next one.